So this is the Primal Raminator, the world's biggest RC car. And in the last video, we gave it an electric conversion. And in this video, we're going to give it more power. Yes! So these are the batteries that we ran it on in the last video. Both of these together are 30 volts. But we're going to add another battery and make it 45 volts. But to do that, we need to change the speed controller. This speed controller can take 30 volts. This monster here can take 45 volts. So we're going to chuck it in, wire it up, put the batteries in, and then take it out for a rip and see how fast it is. We originally had 2 of these in the project World's Fastest RC Car, but trouble is one of them caught fire. This one survived, so we're going to put the surviving one in there. Hopefully it's going to last. Maybe we're going to get a fire. We don't know. Who knows?
Blah, blah, blah.
Yep, that's enough waffle. Let's get it fitted and then take it out for a rip. Do you have a job you hate? Imagine if you could make more money from the comfort of your own home. That was my dream, and it became a reality once I started selling on eBay. And I've now taught hundreds of people my secrets. So just check out the results here from some of my students. So if you're sick of that 9 till 5 and you want to make more money than a doctor from the comfort of your own home, then click on the link down below and I'll show you how. Oh my god, guys, just check out the size of this. This is the one that we're putting in it, and that is the one that's already in it now. Now, I'm only going to temporarily mount that in there. I'm going to leave the old one in there, just chilling in there for a minute, just to see how good this one is. I'm not expecting this to be very reliable. It's probably going to catch fire, then we're going to go back to using that one or buy something else. I don't know. Oh, it doesn't fit. No, it doesn't fit. We're going to have to do some soldering. So we've got to take these connectors off and replace it with some bigger ones. Boom! Got them all on there. Also changed my battery connectors to suit these batteries that we're running on it. So now let's chuck it in and see if it works. Yep, that'll do. So next, let's chuck in a battery and see if it works. So I'm just going to run it on one for now, just to make sure that it works. Then if it works, we're going to get it outside and we're going to run it on 3 of these. So we have 3 connectors here for 3 batteries, but I've got these little jumpers here, so we plug those in like that. And now we can just run it off for 1 battery. We're going to keep these here just in case something goes wrong. Radio on. And let's turn it on. Oh, it's come on. Oh, well, it moves. It's not doing much. I don't know what's happening. So we're running backwards. We just swap over a couple of these motor wires, and hopefully then it's going to go the right way round. Yes! Ha ha ha! Right, get another 2 batteries in there. 45 volts! Let's go!
Let's go, Brandon. I agree.
Here we are on the location. So first of all, we're going to see how fast it goes. Hopefully it's not going to catch fire. Then we're just going to go and have some fun with it, see what we can do. GPS on. Now, this is the first time that we are trying it on the 12S. 45 volts. I'm going to keep these handy. If it suddenly decides to catch fire, we can snip the power quick. Oh! GPS working? Yes, right, that was 6 miles an hour. We're ready. Oh, that's a lot faster than it used to be. Oh. Not happy. Making a funny noise. Why is he making that noise? What's that noise? 36 miles an hour, so we're 9 miles an hour more. You'd love that if that got me. Oh, park.
And we are on location.
He's learning the lingo.
You'll be getting me to do all the intros next.
Oh, I'm also employing him to do all of it. I must stay in bed. This speed controller, it hasn't got much power. It caught fire in the speed car, and on this one it keeps cutting out. So it just hasn't got much power in it. It's just a cheap ESC. I wouldn't recommend it for anything really. Catches fire. Get some footage for you lot. Doesn't actually want to work. Oh, has it died already?
I'm going to piss arses off like this, are you?
We're deleting that bit out.
They're about to explode. It's making a noise.
It's not wanting to move. It appears to have died.
There's probably no point filming if it's died, is it?
Well, it might catch fire. It could be worth filming.
Yeah, it's a good point.
Guys, let me know in the comments what speed controller we should put in it. I know MGM do good speed controllers, but they're not really any good for bashing. This thing doesn't want to go. Have it. I was hoping to send it to the moon. There's an escape ramp over there. It should work. Plug that in there. If we hit this button, it's lit up, look. The fan's spinning. Give it a minute to initiate itself. Is it initiation? Initialize? Initialize, isn't it?
Initialise will do. Did something happen earlier when we had it out?
Yeah, it's still...
I thought it started going to a bit funny.
No, it kept cutting out.
Just hoping for a little bit of fire. Anything.
Oh, I'm hoping it works, really. It's game over on that one, boy. Just took it back out again, and guys, it stinks. I think it's burnt out. Look, there is the ESC that comes with the electric conversion, and here's the ESC that we tried to put into it, and this can't handle it. That little ESC can. What the hell's going on? Yeah, don't waste your money on these guys. Guys, we might try and make it 12S again in a different video. We're going to try a different speed control. I'm not really sure what's out there. Let me know in the comments what you want me to try. And if it sounds like a good idea, maybe we'll buy it and give it a go and see how good it is. So subscribe and smash the bell so you don't miss it.